bite me? Why'd you bite me? We're both sliding down together. Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogs and Frogs. My name's Ryan Peterson, and this is Tim the rat snake. He's the biggest rat snake I've ever caught, and he's actually the first rat snake to ever actually bite me. Now, look at that. What he's doing right now is he's trying to imitate the timber rattlesnakes that are out here, which is a venomous species. For the record, we're at Bernheim Forest. If you didn't know, I guess you don't because I told you. As you can see right there on the wrist, bit me as we were falling. This is how I found him. I heard that. And he'll curl up. And in the rocks, you can kind of hear it, but especially in the leaf litter up there, sounded identical to a rattle. So when I heard it, I was like, yo, this could be the find. Was not what we were looking for, but is an absolutely majestic species. Look at the size of that. Wow, you're gorgeous. Yeah, you're good. Definitely bit me as we were sliding down the hill. I can understand why. As you can see, I'm starting to bleed more. Nothing too bad. Yep, you see that defensive pose? Immediate strike back up. He wants me to get away from him. Oh, but he is non-venomous, so I am gonna live. He smells like poop, and now I smell like poop. Very rough terrain. I do not recommend sliding down a hillside like that. This is the perfect habitat up here for things like copperheads and timber rattlesnakes. It is an extremely rocky hillside. As you can see, he is very defensive the moment any hand goes near him or touches him at all. And he'll go right back to rattling that tail. Look at that defensive posture, see? No matter where you put your hand, he's gonna follow you all the way around, see? Very angry. Actually, the most angry rat snake I've ever found. Well, guys, Mr. Angry is now up there. And now he's about to fall. I can feel his body weight. Oh, and he's gonna bite me because he fell. Well, that makes perfect sense. Again, this is a black rat snake. They are fairly docile. They grow up to be about 8 feet long. This is definitely a snake you will find around your house, and that's because, you know, it's the rat snake. They're into, well, rats, and humans are nasty, and they attract rats, thus attract black rat snakes. If you have things like piles of log and stuff, if you bite my face, we are not gonna be friends. No, we'll probably still be friends. You're okay. See, you bit me enough, don't you think? And I haven't bit you once, so don't you think I'm not here to hurt you? Wow, absolutely gorgeous. But again, if you have like piles of logs, trash, extra debris, stuff like that, they will eat it up. So you get rid of that, you put mice traps, things like that, then don't bite me while I cough. Then you'll definitely decrease the chances of finding one of these absolutely massive snakes out in your yard. There he goes with the rattle again. Would you look at that? An absolutely gorgeous species. Now, black rat snakes are diurnal species, which is why we could find them out here during the day. Now, it's only about 75, somewhere between 75 and 80 degrees today. However, in the summer, black rat snakes, along with many, many other species of snakes, actually end up going nocturnal, meaning they end up waking up as the sun's going down. They soak up the last bit of sun, and they go out and hunt into the night as it's cooling down. And as you see, the only thing he wants to do is try to bite me because I'm doing all this movement. And as you can see, he'll follow my hand wherever it goes, and he'll go right back to that rattle. But as you can see, he doesn't just turn around and strike. He just turns around to start trying to see what's touching him. They are quite docile. They don't really actively attack people. I have no doubt it didn't help his stress level when I had to go sliding down this cliffside to introduce him to you guys. But are you gonna bite my leg now? I like my leg. It's not itchy because of your teeth. So he's in full strike position right now. And a snake can lunge and also hold itself off the ground about 1/3 of its body length, right? So let's say he's 6 feet long just for simple math, right? That means he can lunge from where he's at out about 2 feet. Meaning with how he's coiled, if he wanted to jump up and bite me right here in the face or in the neck, he could tag me with absolutely not a problem in his life. That is an absolutely gorgeous snake, and you just want to bite me like crazy. Look at my hand, look. Doesn't that hand look tasty? Oh yeah, that looks so good. That looks so good. Yeah, see, you fell for the trick. Oh my God, you're so heavy. You wanna hold him?
Sure.
Put your hand out. I would just hold his weight. He's gonna try to, hey,
Ooh.
hey, bite, here. I'll hold closer to his head like this so you can. Now I'm not squeezing. I don't support heading snakes unless it's absolutely necessary, because that probably stresses them out more and makes them want to bite you more. So you see, I let his head slip right out. Even with venomous snakes, if we find one, I don't plan to head it unless it is absolute necessity. Are you pooping? An absolute necessity for safety. And that's because how would you feel if I slammed you on the ground and started holding you by your neck like this, and then started picking you up and holding you by your neck? It would probably make you even more mad.
Pause.
Oh, he's hissing. Look at that. Look at that ability to climb right there. And he'll go straight into the tree happily. Now, it's a small tree, bud, but if you want to go up there, look at that. Look at the absolute power in that snake. Wow, look at him slither up the tree. Black rat snakes are known to be very arboreal, which is why if you go camping or whatnot, you should definitely trek the trees, because that right there could come falling on your head. And trust me, it'll be just as scared as you are. But wow, look at that beauty slither away like it's nothing. No hands, and it can climb 10 times faster than a whole bunch of things. Wow, look at that beauty. That's absolutely crazy. Well, wow, I think that's it for this episode. I'm gonna cut that one off there, and if we can find something else, maybe there will be more. But otherwise, tune in next time right here on Vlogs on Frogs, because we're gonna keep catching stuff like this, and it's summer. We're gonna keep looking. We're gonna find more. Don't worry, wait on it. I hope you're here for the adventure. Otherwise, holy cow. Slither away, beauty. Slither away.